Good morning, world. This is CIDEB News. Today's topic is chemistry. We all know that chemistry is everywhere and is needed in our daily lives. Chemistry is present in most science, like
Hi, I'm Carolina and I'm going to talk about the contributions of chemistry in medicine. Chemistry is a huge part of medicine as a diagnostic and treatment tool. Chemistry is in departments, in hospital medical labs, analyze blood, urine, and other things. For proteins and sugar and other metabolic and inorganic substances. Since enzymes are proteins, their functions differ based on shape and inhibitor drugs must be customized for each target enzyme. This requires chemistry. Everything is about chemistry and most of medicates. While the concept of RNA interference is more on the biological side, the engineer of chemicals to inhibit the translation of mRNA into amino acid sequence by ribosomes requires chemistry. In RNA, a design piece of double-strand RNA literally chops up mRNA to prevent it from undergoing translation. Thank you.
How chemistry is related to food. First of all, you need to know that atoms and combinations of them make up all kinds of substances, such as food. Chemistry studies how atoms interact with each other and the change that occurs when that happens, as when you boil water or when you freeze, and the use of microwaves to heat food.
Chemical warfare is an agent of poison that kills, injure, or incapacitate a person, and they can be gases, liquid, or can be dispersed by aerosols. The chemical warfare agents was introduced in the trenches of the World War I to pass the fortification of the Nazis. Their chemical warfare agents can be heavier than airs and will fill trenches and tunnels and they're rendering them to useless, and they're considered like a poor man's atomic bomb. The routes of entry of a chemical warfare agent is inhalation through lungs, is ingestion by mouth, injection through punctured mouth, and absorption on skin. And the classes of the chemical warfare is the equipment destruction, the herbicides, flame weapons, the incapacitating agents, the blood agents, and the respiratory agents.
Global warming is the gradual increase in the Earth's atmosphere temperature due to the greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is a natural process in which the sun's energy comes to the Earth's atmosphere and it's kept inside of it to maintain and allow life. Without the greenhouse effect, the air will be completely covered in ice. This is all thanks to the greenhouse gases, which the main are carbon dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, methane, and water in form of vapor. These gases come from natural and human sources. The human emissions come mainly from cars and industries by the burning of fossil fuels, and it's complemented by the deforestation, which won't allow these gases to be absorbed by plants and won't release any oxygen, so these gases will keep more and more heat inside of the of the Earth's atmosphere, which will increase the temperature and will lead to several severe consequences, such as the melting of the polar caps, and with that melting, the ocean level increasement. So many ground parts and nations of the world are threatened by disappear because of the water level.
My name is Dani, and today I'm going to talk about 3 possible solutions to stop the global warming. These 3 are drive less, use the off switch, and change a light bulb. Drive less is to make this possible, we need to use a bike. And the advantage of this is that you work out and that you stop contaminating. The another solution is use the off switch to save energy, but this solution depends a lot on our responsibility, because if we forgot to turn it on or off, we are wasting the energy and contaminating. And the last solution is to change a light bulb. In this solution, we need to change everyone on our house, and this will help not just to save energy, but also to stop the global warming. There are many solutions that we can do, like plant a tree or walk more, and for this we need to have the volunteer to do it. And remember that our little actions can change the world.
Team, we conclude that everything material in the universe is a chemical, and the ability to understand and manipulate is what chemistry is about. Without our knowledge of chemistry, the world would be a more mysterious place and a less advanced place. Chemistry is in everywhere. Stars, atoms, air, food, all things in the universe is composed by chemistry. Chemistry is the basis of life, and without it we wouldn't exist. Thank you for your time.